Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Samsung device to Samsung Galaxy Xcover6 Pro. Begin by opening Play Store on both and tapping on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and get this app from this developer. When it's ready, hit Open. Now choose one of those options in Notification pop-up, and in order to use Send Anywhere app, tap on I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then do exactly the same on the other Samsung. I accept, confirm, continue, allow. Over here you can choose Not Now in the pop-up if you wish to, and then close it by tapping on OK. Then choose Send at the bottom left corner of your Samsung smartphone and Receive on Samsung Xcover. Finally, you can tap on all of those dots from all of those categories and click Send here. This way you will select all of those files and then transfer them. It will take some time to do it right now, so I will go with only one photo. Choose Send and tap on Got It. Now on Xcover, scroll all the way down and tap on one of those options. In my case, no thanks. Then click on Close this window, and as you can see, finally, we have two ways to connect. We can scan this QR code by tapping on this scanning icon, then select while using the app or only this time and point this device's camera at the code. But we can also input this key over here and tap on Receive button instead. If you made a typo, just like I did, don't worry, we have a lot of time. Now as you can see, after a while, my file was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!